Hi everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're talking about how to get that gorgeous, glowing skin everyone dreams of. By the end of this video, you'll have all the tips and tricks you need for radiant, healthy skin. So, let's get started. In this video, we are going to give you 7 natural tips to help your skin glow and shine always. Number 1. Stay hydrated. Drink water. Make sure to drink plenty of water every day. Water helps keep your skin hydrated and flushes out toxins, which makes your skin look clearer and more radiant. Men needs about 3.7 liters, 125 ounces, of total water per day from all beverages and foods. Women should consume about 2.7 liters, 91 ounces, of total water per day from all beverages and foods. Although, physical activity and environment can change this amount of water. Number 2. Eat healthy foods, fruits and vegetables. Eat lots of fruits and vegetables. They are rich in vitamins and antioxidants that are great for your skin. Foods like berries, oranges, spinach, and carrots are especially good. Number 3. Get enough sleep. Sleep well. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night. Your skin repairs itself while you sleep, so getting enough rest helps you wake up with refreshed and glowing skin. Number 4. Use natural oils. Moisturize with oils. Natural oils like coconut oil, olive oil, and almond oil are excellent for moisturizing your skin. They can make your skin soft, smooth, and glowing. Number 5. Exercise regularly. Stay active. Regular exercise increases blood flow, which helps nourish skin cells and keep them healthy. It also helps you sweat out impurities, giving your skin a natural glow. Number 6. Exfoliate gently. Remove dead skin. Use a gentle scrub or a homemade exfoliate, like sugar and honey, once or twice a week to remove dead skin cells. This helps your skin look fresh and bright. Number 7. Protect your skin. Use sunscreen. Always apply sunscreen when you go outside, even on cloudy days. Sun protection prevents damage and keeps your skin looking youthful and glowing. By following these simple and natural tips, you can help your skin stay healthy and glowing. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more beauty tips.